warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jenny Budiarti with MPM 2241163 from Management Class 22C. Organizational Development and Culture. Mention organizational culture, which has a crucial role as one of the determinants of a company's success. A strong culture creates a foundation for employees to communicate, interact, and act well at work. This is important to ensure everything is in accordance with the values adhered to by the organization or company. Therefore, it is important to know how to develop the best organizational culture according to your need work environment. Because based on the model, there are four types of organizational culture that are generally applied in professional work environment. By understanding how to develop it, you can implement the best type of culture for your workplace. Understanding the definition of organizational culture before discussing how to develop organizational culture further. It is first important to know its definition because it's turned out there are still many professionals who don't know what this term means. Basically, organizational culture refers to a certain set of values, beliefs, attitude, system, and rules. Their various things will shape and influence employee behavior in a company. This culture is reflected in various aspects of the company, starting from how management responds to a crisis, how the team adapts to new customer demand, how a manager responds to unemployed mistake, and so on. Several reasons why it is important to develop organizational culture. Organizational culture is not just a trend in the world of work because it is one of the key elements that determines the identity of a professional work organization. Here are some important reasons why its development is so important. 1. Increase employee engagement. First of all, deploying a positive organizational culture will make employees feel more included. As employee involvement increases, their contribution to their work will also increase significantly. To increase productivity, companies with a positive culture tend to have higher level of productivity. The reason is employees who feel inspired by the value of their organization tend to work more enthusiastically. Apart from that, developing a good organizational culture can also increase employee innovation, so they are more likely to collaborate effectively and provide the best performance in their work to achieve common goals. 3. Attract the best employee talent. A positive culture will also make the company the most comfortable place to work, so that employees with the best talent will be interested in joining. In fact, this can also help reduce the retention rate of employees who resign or resign. 4. Adaptation to change in the business world. Change is something that is bound to happen. However, one solution to deal with this is to develop an organizational culture as a step to adapt to this change. For example, because currently the professional world has entered the digital era, you can adapt by utilizing a work culture with a more digital system, so the company can better adapt to any condition or change. 5. Increase competitively. Workplace with a strong organizational culture tend to be more positive and superior to competitor or other competitor. This is one of the differentiating factors that makes consumer, client, or business partner more interested To developing organizational culture. As with the other thing, developing a positive and strong work culture also requires a consistent and structured approach. Here is complete guide to help you create the best work environment culture according to your need. 1. Choose the best employees. Start with a recruiting process that is as selective as possible. Choose employees who not only have skill according to job requirement, but are also in line with the organizational core value. This is crucial step to building the foundation of the company work culture. To create employee orientation and training. Next, design a complete onboarding program. Don't just introduce the job or job description, but also provide information about company value. Make sure to provide this training regularly. 3. Use leader and role model. Is important to remember that the role of leader in forming and developing organizational culture is very crucial. Therefore, leader must be example or role model for all other employees in implementing a positive culture every day. 4. Give recognition and appreciation. Next, make sure to give recognition or award to employees who consistently excel or implement a good culture. Apart from helping provide positive incentive and employee, this can also make the more motivation. 5. Take appropriate action. So, how do you deal with it? A bad culture areas that is not in accordance with the organization values norms. If this happens, first get feedback from employer to identify the area of improvement. Next, identify opportunities for improvement based on input and evaluation from past employers. From this result, you can start making changes to system, process, and behavior to create a more positive work environment. For example, our organizational culture that are community applies. So it is clear that developing an organizational culture requires detailed planning and requires involvement from all parties. By implementing the good list above, we can stage of company identity and create a positive work environment. So, what are some examples of positive organizational culture that are commonly implemented by companies of work environment? As a preface to apply to your place of work, here are some explain to the type. 1. Collaborative culture. As the name suggests, a collaborative culture places cooperation and togetherness as the main values. In this environment, employees are considered part of a large family who work together to achieve common goals in an open and exclusive atmosphere. 2. Ad hoc culture. Furthermore, an hoc culture often refers to as a creative culture, expresses the experiential spirit and innovation. Companies that adhere to this culture generally encourage his employees to take risks and pursue unconventional ideas. In development, this type of organizational culture, flexibility and adaptability are two examples of work value. As a result, an environment that is more dynamic and responsive to change will be created. 3. Market culture. Market culture places more emphasis of results and achieve goals. In this, employees are encouraged to focus on the end result in order to achieve together. The main characteristics are firm leadership and high demand in a competitive environment. 4. Hierarchy culture. Hierarchy culture places more emphasis on structure and procedure that are well organizational. Companies that adhere to this culture have a higher level of formality, where everyone discussion and activism respond on prosedur. Sekian presentasi dari saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.